Hi guys and welcome back. In the last video, I prepared the LED tower structure by soldering LEDs together. Now let's complete the setup and display some cool visuals and animation sequences in our LED tower. Let's get started. Like I said in the last video, we cannot just hook an Arduino directly with the LED tower. So we need to use transistor as switch setup for each level. That means we need total 10 transistor as switch setup for toggling the 10 level of LED tower. So I prepared this PCB by using this schematic. I made it in OrCAD Cadence and then etched it with generic etching solution. After that I assembled it. I soldered total 20 SMD 10K resistors and then 10 2SC6120 NPN transistor to this setup. You can buy all these SMD components from utsource.net. Link is in video description. Anyway, so after assembling the circuit, we just need to hook it up on a breadboard with an Arduino board. In this case, the Arduino Micro. After connecting everything together like this, we just need to upload the code and see the result. For powering this setup, I am using 3.7 volt lithium ion cell. Okay, so here's the result. This is how you can build and program an LED tower. It's like an LED cube, but much easier thing to make, and it also requires less LEDs. Well, yes, we can program or alter the code in order to get various pattern and animations. So if you need the code or the build instructions, you can download them from this project's Hackster page. Link is in video description. I hope you liked this video. If yes, then do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment if you need any help. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.